Communicating the benefits of Scrum. Before a project kicks off, I recommend asking the question, have the benefits of Scrum been communicated to all involved? At the beginning of a project, we can sometimes wrongly assume that everybody understands what Scrum is and that everybody is focused on delivering its rules. However, there are often individuals within the organization or within the team who, for whatever reason, do not have the belief or understanding of Scrum required to make it successful. To avoid this situation, or simply to make sure that this is not the case, it makes good sense for the Scrum Master to hold a kickoff meeting. One of the purposes of the meeting would be to make sure that everyone involved, definitely the Scrum team, but stakeholders too, if necessary, is clear on how Scrum works and how it will benefit them from their perspective. For example, for the product owner, I recommend explaining the return on investment that will come about from prioritizing the backlog. For team members, I recommend explaining how the framework will help them to work more productively and have fewer interruptions from third parties. For stakeholders, maybe in a separate meeting, I recommend clarifying the product owner's role and explaining the benefit of the shippable increment of the product. I would also emphasize the way the sprint review allows stakeholders to feedback into the process and to add value to their product.